City of Phoenix.
Yeah, rise up LA. From the fire to the future, we're unbreakable. The sky burned red, but we didn't fall. LA spirit shines, we've got a story to call. The flames tried to break us, but we still stood. A city of dreamers with hope in our blood. But look at the heroes facing the blaze. Firefighters out there saving lives every day. Their courage burns brighter than the fiercest flame. Their hearts are the shield, they're the ones to acclaim. We rise like a phoenix, shining through the night. Through the ashes, we find our light. The future's calling, we answer the sound. LA's unbreakable, we turn it around. The heat can't melt what keeps us strong. We're planting seeds of tomorrow all along. Every street, every soul, every heartbeat alive. Even through the flames we learn to thrive. Firefighters rush into the heart of the storm. Sleepless nights keeping others warm. Their helmets gleam like stars in the dark. They're the light of hope, igniting the spark. We rise like a phoenix, shining through the night. Through the ashes, we find our light. The future's calling, we answer the sound. LA's unbreakable, we turn it around. Fire's a test, but we'll always prevail. Our story's a beacon, a ship that won't sail. Every ember's a lesson, every flame's a sign. We're moving together, our future's divine. Respect to the heroes who fearlessly fight. They give us the strength to dream through the night. Through the flames, a new story's born. A city rebuilding, forever reborn. Yeah, LA shining, the best is ahead. A reborn city, where the brave dare tread. Phoenix in the skyline, our legacy grows. Through the fire, the whole world knows.